Hi there. In our last section, you learned how to find the zeros of the polynomial. In this section, you are going to learn how to divide the polynomial. So let's begin. Division algorithm. If px and fx are any two polynomials where fx is not equal to 0, then we can establish a relationship such as px is equal to fx times qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0, which is basically the remainder function, which simply means that rx is equal to 0. Or we can say that degree of rx is always less than degree of fx. So basically what we are trying to do, we are trying to reduce the function px or the polynomial px so that the fx of the function after division is always greater than the remainder. So basically we should get a remainder with least indices or power. Then we can simply write dividend is equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder. Let's consider an example. Divide px equals to x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 1 by qx is equal to x minus 1. As you can say, it is given that px over qx is equal to, let's divide this. So in order to divide this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a basic division method. So I'm going to draw one line like this and one vertical line. X minus 1 will come here and x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 1 is over here. Let's look closely. So the order of x is 1 over here and the order of x is x to the power 3. There's only one way we can get x cube if we multiply this whole thing by x squared. So let's multiply x minus 1 by x squared. And if we do that, we will write x squared times x is x cubed and x squared times negative 1 is negative x squared. Now let's subtract this one from this one, and if we subtract, the sign will change. So this is a positive sign that will become negative, and this is a negative sign that will become positive. So if we simplify, this will be cancelled out and we have negative 2x squared plus x squared, which is negative x squared, and then we will borrow this one over here, that is plus 2x. Now as you can see, the order of this x is 1 and we need a second order, so we can multiply by negative x. So negative x times x is negative x squared, which is over here. Negative x times negative 1 is positive x, because negative times negative is positive. Let's subtract this one from here. So when we subtract, the sign will change. So this is a negative sign that will change to positive, and this is positive sign that will change to negative. So let's simplify further. This will be cancelled out and we have 2x minus x, which is x, and then we will bring this negative 1 over here. Now as you can see, I have exactly the same expression that I have over here. So basically if we multiply by 1, we will get exactly the same expression over here, which is x minus 1. Now let's subtract, and if we subtract, this is positive, that will become negative, and this is negative, that will become positive. And let's add, when we add, this will be cancelled out and this will also be cancelled out. So basically we get the remainder as 0. Now, so what can we do? We can rewrite this whole division in terms of expression. So we can write x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 1 is equal to x squared minus x plus 1, which is this one right here, times x minus 1, which is over here, plus 0, because our remainder is 0. So basically what we are doing, we are following the division algorithm to divide any two polynomials.